Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to Poorboys Little Homestead. As always, if this is your first time here, thanks for dropping in. Feel free to drop in anytime you feel, my friend. Guys, old Nanny Belle here. I've been driving her for a few days, and every day when I come home, I gotta tilt that hood up to check that oil and that water. I don't like getting up doing it before daylight in the morning. But I don't know if any of you out there knows about a 18-wheeler / dump truck hood, how they are to open and how heavy it is. Well, in reality, a man would jump up here and he would grab a hook right there and he would pull that back. Well, a little fella like me puts a lot of strain on his body. Well, the last few days, I've been coming to this side and I grab it and you can get it started up, and go around the other side and grab it and you can get it tilted up, then you have to get up under it. Well, I done strained something I didn't need to strain yesterday doing that. So this afternoon, I'm finna show you guys, when you think about things a little bit, you can come up with easier ways. Now, I got a winch right here on this little four-wheeler. And we're gonna see if this will winch this hood open without me having to do any straining. Now, I can't be doing all that straining. Well, guys, that was quite easy compared to all that lifting and straining and pulling and grunting I've been doing the last few evenings. So now all I gotta do is step in here and check my oil. Old Nanny Belle here, she's a 1998 model, so she uses a little oil. She ain't got but about 1.2 million miles on her. But she ain't still good. But I check her every day just to make sure. Now I'm gonna go around here to the other side and jump up in there and I'm gonna check the water. So far, I done drove this truck here 5 or 6 days, and I ain't had to put no water in her. And she's still full of water. So it looks like we good for another day. So to put this hood back down, I'm gonna just take my winch air off. And you got to get the whole thing, baby doll, lined up just right. It's got a little, give her a little tender love. Let me make sure the other side sit down. And guys, I don't know about y'all, but that there winch on that four-wheeler just made my life a lot easier. Because I done told you, I ain't got near about big enough booty to stand up here and grab it right there and pull it over. Now, I'm sure these trucks nowadays, these new models, you can probably hit a little button in there and it tilts your hood up for you. Old Nanny Belle ain't got one of them. But guys, I just wanted to show y'all my little trick I had up my sleeve. Maybe that's something some of you out there, some of you older gentlemen, or just smaller gentlemen. Like I said, you ain't got to be old. hurt yourself pulling and straining on that. Maybe you ain't never thought about that and you got a four-wheeler or a side-by-side with a winch on it. That's how easy it is to do. If you like that little video, please give me a thumbs up. If you've never subscribed, please subscribe. Share my videos, it'll help me grow this channel. Thank y'all for watching. God bless, and y'all have a great day. See y'all next time.